Hello, it's Chris. I thought I'd do a little unboxing with you. I was about to cut open a brand new Brother ScanNCut, and I thought, oh, you might want to know what's inside the box as well. So I've turned the camera on to show you a look. So here I've got a Brother ScanNCut DX, and the model that I've got here is the SDX1250. So let's open it up, not waste any more time. I've got my coffee and everything to keep me going. So let's put the coffee down. I've got my blade ready to go. I'm hydrated. I'll move my chair out of the road because I thought once I've unboxed her, I'll set her up here on where I have my cricket maker, because that'll be where she'll be getting used. And let's get started. So exciting. Love new gadgets. I thought this would be great. I like the idea that it's got a built-in scanner. So I'm hoping that I'll be able to put pattern pieces and things like that directly on the mat, so that I don't have to spend as much time creating SVG cut files and things like that, because I design a lot of my own sewing patterns, and for bags especially, I thought, oh, because then if I do a hand drafted one, I'd be able to just scan that straight in and be able to cut it and test it out. Oh, it's exciting. Oh, okay, I'll bring you over a little bit closer. Hang on a second. Okay, I've propped you up so you can open it up and see what's inside the box with me. Ooh, here we go. So I've got a Let's Get Started pack. It's got a Getting Started guide. Let's open that. Hey, we probably should have a little squizzy at least at the instructions. Okay. Ooh, what's in here? So we've got a manual. We've got what's in the pack and all of that. I'll just open this up and have a quick look. Oh yeah, so it's telling me all the accessories that are included. Product safety guide. Okay. Quick look. Just a little English one. Okay, I've read that. I'll set that aside, keep all my goodies there together. So let's get started guide, read the safety instructions first. Yep, okay. Ooh. So what have we got in here? A little bit of a brochure, creating the 3D box. Actually, yeah, I really want to create that, but I'm thinking we could create it in leather or something. Okay, so it's got some projects in there, machine setup. Oh, probably might need to read that one. Cards, attaching cardstock, installing the blade holder. It's like when you get a new sewing machine, you really should read your manuals. Selecting patterns, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6. Oh, assembling it. Oh. Okay. All right. So what I'll do is, after we've done the unboxing, I will do this little project, because I think that's going to be fantastic, because I really love that. Look at that. I just want to make that. I think it's adorable. Okay. Get rid of that packaging. Now, what do we got in here? Power cords by the looks. Oh. It's like at Christmas time when you get a new present. Oh, yep, big box for a power cord. But the box obviously is designed to fit in there. So power cord, I'll just take that out of the packet. I like to keep, when you get something new, all your packaging, just in case. So we've got twisty tie. Get that out, might as well. And I'll put that in that little box. That's for the power cord. Keep everything together. I'll even put it back in its little zip top back. That was a mouthful. Okay, I've even got a power cord there ready, power extension cable. So we'll set that to the side. What else is in here? Cutting mats. Oh, okay. So we've got a standard tack adhesive mat. So that's there. And then we've got the low tack adhesive mat. I've been doing quite a bit of research on the Brother machine. And from what I gather at the moment, the low tack adhesive mat is really good for your delicate fabrics and things like that. So I'll set those to the side. I won't put them on where my machine's going to go because I don't want them in the road. Okay. Ooh. What have we got here? So we've got one of our cartridges here. So I'll take that off the box. There's my little blade. My blade here. Just cut that tape. Okay. So we've got that there. I'll put that near the power cord. Packaging there. And I think now it's time to pull the machine out of the box. Now I might, let me see how I go. Oh, that slides off. Pop that over there. And that one over there. Oh, it's beautiful. Turn the box around. Oh, wow. Very nice. Ooh. Don't mind me, I'm putting my back to you. Plastic on the top. Just slide that back. Oh, it's not as heavy as I thought it was going to be. Oh, look at that. Okay, let me hold that up. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, ooh, there's the top. Okay, I'll sit her down because this is be where she's going to live over here. Now, we'll move that. I'll move the camera again and you can come and set up with me. Okay, one moment. Okay, back again. Now I've got the power cord here, so it's ready to be plugged in. So not even plugged in yet. Machine here, so I'm hoping you've got a pretty good overhead view there so you can experience an unboxing completely with me. I might just even see if I can bring you in a little bit closer and overhead there. I think that should be pretty good. Can bring the machine back a bit. Here we go. Over the shoulder. Now, let's have a look. So we need to take off our packaging. So let's take this one off. We'll just set that there. My connection. We'll put that to the side. Just sit that on the little booklet. So that's our screen. Oh, very nice. Oh, lovely. Now, let's have a look. So we've got ports on the side here. Wireless, looks like USB and that there. And then, oh, I like this little tray there. Love this. Oh, this is we've got a little dial here at the side. So it depends on the depth of material that you're cutting because you've got a level 1 and a level 2. So I have done some research. And then on the back, we've got our port for our power. So we'll plug that in while it's turned around and we'll take off this sort of packaging here. Get it all ready. Oh yeah, so this will be for the mat to feed through. Bit of tape there to make sure that they don't slide out during its travels. It's very nice. Get rid of that. So we'll turn her back around. She's got rubber grip feet. When I'm using it, I might have it over this side. Like I have my Cricut maker is here, and then I could have this one there or swap them around. Let's turn her back around. Okay, let's open up. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, okay, we'll take this out. More of that tape. It's very well packaged. Nothing can move around in there. Take that out. There we go. A bit of cardboard that they had secured under the roller here. Take this off. Here we go. We've got some pretty nice little basic instructions there. Yeah, so we've got rollers. Oh yeah, so that's telling us where we're going to feed our mat through. Then that'll secure in. Oh, you don't have lots of wheels that you have to move out of the road. That's great. And it's just push the mat through. Got a little dial here. Oh, that's for your level. It's got a, what's that got on there? Little buttons. Oh, that must be to release and lock in something there. So we'll put that to the side. We've got our manual there as well. And one of our blades. Let's open these up. Got a little sticker here. Yep. Put that to the side. Oh, here we go. Here we go. What's in these? I'll push this back again, so back a bit so you can see. Oh, nice. Oh, they're nice. Oh, they're nice. Big tray. Oh, and some accessories. Let's have a look. Let's have a look and see. So in here. Okay, so this is for fabric marking pens. Erasable pen set, so you can get it to draw your seam allowances and things like that on there. And so this will be the holder. Nice. They'll go in through there so they can live in there. Actually, I might even keep, that doesn't want to come off, but I might even keep that in there for now just so it's protected. And then we've got a little accessories pack. Let's open that up. Let's see what we get. Okay, that's nice. Oh, we could put something on there. Also, we've got a little stylus. Oh, nice. So we've got a stylus there. Oh, a little accessories tray there. Oh, yeah, we've got our little spatula for getting things off the mat. And we have another blade here. So we've got, yep, cool, loving these. That little spatula there. Protective cap, so it's got a protective cap on there because that'll be a blade. Please remove protective cap from blade holder before placing it into the machine cartridge. Oh, so that's like a blade. Ooh, oh, yep. You can see in there. So we'll just pop that. These blades, the other beauty that of what I really liked with all the research that I've done on this machine is, in comparison to cricket, you've got to go and manually set your thicknesses and things like that of your fabrics. With the Brother, the blades, they are automatic, so you don't have to muck around with all of that. You don't need to plug into an app or download a program or anything like that to use it. Like, you can use that. I have got programs you can use, but you don't have to. So you've got more freedom because it's a standalone machine that will work on its own. So we'll keep those. Oh, we'll take this out. Let's have it. We'll open this one now. This will be the fabric kit. So this will be the roller blade. for cutting the fabrics. Can't say it's not well packaged. Let's get rid of that. Okay, Rotary Auto Blade Kit. Okay, warnings. Oh yeah, so there's more instructions. What is it with us creative people? We just like to do things. Don't have to read things. But yeah, I will take the time though before we do any project to read everything. So Rotary included, Rotary auto blade holder with blade installed, and B is an activation card for access to 63 Rotary auto blade designs. Wow, oh, that's pretty good. Precautions, access canvas, workspace on the web. Oh yeah. So I will do all that setting up and we'll do a project together. So I think we're doing pretty good here. I might as well I'll take all these off out of the packaging and that to get set up. So this will have our activation card. That can stay in there, that can stay in there. That's my instructions. And then I've got, this might be my activation card. Oh yeah, my connection. Oh, canvas workspace. Okay. So this is what I've got in my kit. Oh, everything. Oh, they're magnetic. Oh yeah, it's got nice strong magnets. Look at that. Oh, love this. And then close it back up. That's beautiful. Oh, so this has got like, this is a like a rubber grip strip. So it's probably like a foot. Oh yeah. So when that's there, that's nice and stable. And then I'll get our mats and all of that. I'll do a bit of more reading and that, and I'll get everything all set up, and then I can do a project with you. Okay, so that's our unboxing. Got all our goodies in there. We've got our manual. We've got our safety instructions. I've got everything. So I've got a little bit of homework to do before I can just sort of get it in. Let's just turn the power on though. Let's just see. Oh, hang on. I might not have this power cord plugged in at the wall. So yeah, we'll come back in the next video. Okay, bye.